Welcome back. My name is Ms. Rashmi Chetri and I hope that you all remember my name. Yes? Okay. And I hope students that you all are fine and you all are doing well. And I also hope that you all are doing your homeworks properly, studying properly. And kids, few days before it was, which occasion it was? Do you remember? It was Raksha Bandhan, So I hope that you have tied Rakhi to your brothers or your sister have tied a Rakhi to you. And you might have ate yummy dishes also, and you might have got presents also, So if you don't have brothers also, it's not necessary कि हम राखी अपने भाई को ही बांधे. If you don't have brother, you may tie that Rakhi to your sister also, right? And kids, I want to tell you that the weather is changing, right? Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's rainy. कभी इतना धूप हो रहा है तो कभी इतना बारिश हो रहा है. And this is the only weather जो हमारे health पे बहुत badly affect करेंगे, okay? It may affect our health very badly. So what you have to do, all you have to do is you have to be very careful, alright? Means don't drink cold waters. Cold water means अभी जैसे बारिश में तो आपको ठीक है, चलो weather is cool, you may not feel hot है ना, but ऐसे sunny days में क्या होता है ना, we are willing to drink that cold water, that means fridge water है ना. So what you have to do, don't drink that. जब बहुत धूप होता है और आप फ्रिज का पानी पियोगे ना, it will directly affect your health. You may suffer from cough and cold also. Then what you have to do, जब बीमार पड़ जाओगे, then you have to go to the doctor. बड़े injections मिलेंगे, medicines मिलेंगे, है ना? So do you want that? नहीं चाहते ना कि आप डॉक्टर के पास जाओ? So क्या करना है? You have to, means don't drink cold water. Normal पानी पियो, then don't eat fast foods. Wash your hands before having your meals. And the most important thing, follow your parents. आपको जब आपके parents कुछ भी बोलते हैं ना, you have to follow those things, okay? So बातें तो बहुत हो गया, रक्षाबंधन भी हमने celebrate कर लिया है ना. So now let's move on to the class. So first today we are going to start with maths, and the book that we are going to follow today is Easy Learning Maths, page number 46 to 50, and let's count page number 36 to 39. Okay? So students, before that I want to tell you, do you remember that we have already started ones and tens? मैंने आपको ये पहले भी सिखाया है ना? How many of you remember? Everyone? Okay, let's do a recap. Okay? Oh, first of all ये means ये सारी चीजों में क्या आता है? First of all like यहाँ पे ones आता है, okay? Then क्या आता है? Tens आता है. First is ones, O for ones and T for tens. Okay? So यहाँ हमें क्या करना? मैंने आपको क्या सिखाया था? Ones में क्या आता है? Tens में क्या आता है? मैंने आपको बताया है ना? Right? So let me give you an example. Okay? What do I have in my hands? It's ice cream stick. ये क्या है? What is this? This is ice cream stick. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have 10 ice cream sticks. ये कितने का बंडल है? First of all tell me, what is this? This is ice cream stick है ना? तो यहाँ पे कितने ice cream sticks है? There are total 10 sticks है ना? And I also have one separate stick. ये क्या 1 के बंडल में आया? नहीं, सॉरी, ये क्या 10 के बंडल में आया? नहीं, ये 10 का तो मैंने एक बंडल पूरा बना दिया. I have made one bundle of 10 sticks. मैंने एक बंडल 10 sticks का बना दिया है. And I also have one separate stick. तो ये क्या हुआ? ये tens में आएगा and ये ones में आएगा. ठीक है? Means tens के बंडल में वही चीज आएंगे जिसमें 10 के सेट्स है. ठीक है? ये 10 sticks के I have one bundle, so this is tens. That means I have one bundle of 10 sticks. That's why this will be 1 tens. यहाँ 10 में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 1 लिखेंगे क्योंकि मेरे पास सिर्फ एक बंडल है. have separate stick. मेरे पास एक लूज सेपरेट स्टिक है, सो ये भी 1 सिर्फ है, सो 1 में क्या लिखेंगे 1. दैट मीन्स टोटल मिला के कितना हुआ 11. ओके, तो टेंस में हमें क्या लिखना है, व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट इन टेंस, वी हैव टू राइट इन टेंस जो टेंस में आते हैं, टेंस के बंडल्स में. ओके, फॉर मोर क्लियर इंफॉर्मेशन हैव अ लुक एट द बोर्ड. So here it's circle. Suppose this is a ball. Okay. Here this is the. Let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have 10 balls of one bundle and 10 balls of again one bundle. तो मेरे पास यहाँ पे 10 balls है. Okay, 10 balls के one bundle है. Again 10 balls के I have one more bundle. So how many bundles do I have of 10 balls? That is 1 and 2. That means I have 2 bundles of 10 balls. Okay, and I also have some loose balls. Okay, means मेरे पास और भी कुछ separate balls है. So let's count. What are they? How many are there? Let's count. That is 1 and 2. So can you tell me students कि इसमें से tens कौन सा है and which one is ones? Yes, very good. This comes under tens and this comes under ones. Ones में ये क्यों आया? क्योंकि ये tens में, ये bundle tens के जो bundle है ना, this one is not included in the bundle of tens. This one is loose balls. This is separate balls. That's why this. That means I have 2 bundles of 10 balls. कितने tens है? 2 tens है, and ones will be 1 and 2. 2 ones. Okay. So that means if you count it all together, तो कितना मिलेगा? How much you will get? It's 2 to 22. So we will write here 2 and we will write here 2. Understood? Very clearly? Okay. One more example I have, that is I have sticks again. Okay, suppose these are the sticks. So you can now, it's very clear to you all that ये जो sticks है ये 3 में बहुत सारे हैं. So these all are tens. So how many tens bundle of stick do I have? That is 1 bundle, 2 bundle and 3 bundle. Okay, and along with this I have more loose sticks also. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have 5 loose sticks also. Okay, so which will come in tens and which will come in ones? Definitely these 3 bundles will come in tens and this will come in ones, because these 3 bundles are the bundle of tens. ये सारे bundle में ना 10 sticks है, but loose sticks कितने हैं? 5 है. So tens में क्या आएगा? 3 आएगा. Why 3? 1, 2, 3. And loose में separated में कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 ones. Understood? So that means total is 3, 5, 35. 3 is tens and 5 is ones. So the total number is 35. If you will count all together, that means what you will get? You will get 35. Okay. Suppose one more example I'm going to tell you. Like you have copies ना, तो आपने जब बुक स्टोर से कॉपी खरीदा, आपने जब एक्सरसाइज, when you have purchased some exercise book from the book store, the book seller जो शॉपकीपर था उसने आपको क्या दिया? 10 bundles. एक बंडल में 10 कॉपीज, अगेन एक बंडल में 10 कॉपीज, अगेन वन बंडल में 10 कॉपीज. ओके, he gave you 3 bundles of 10 copies and he also gave you 4 loose copies, means 4 separated copies. ओके, दुकानदार ने आपको क्या दिया? शॉपकीपर ने आपको 10 tens means tens वाले means 10 copies के 3 bundles दिए and loose copies how many he gave you? 4. So what will be the total number? You have 3 bundles of 10 exercise book. That means 3 are tens में and also you have 4 loose copies, right? So how much is the total number? 4 will come in ones and 3 will goes to tens. Okay, so the total number will be 34. Similarly here also these all comes under tens. ये किस में आएंगे? Tens में आएंगे. Okay. So tens वाले how many bundles do we have? 1 bundle, 2 bundle and 3 bundles. So these will comes under tens. Okay. ये tens में आएंगे. And we have some separate sticks also. That is, we have 5 separate sticks. So it will come goes to ones. लेकिन we have to remember that first of all it comes we used to write ones, then tens. कभी भी यहाँ पे t या फिर यहाँ पे o like this, यहाँ पे o या यहाँ पे first tens ones ऐसे नहीं आता. This is the wrong format. First comes ones and then comes tens. Okay. So the same thing I'm going to show you in the book. So take out your book and the page number is 46. Okay, you will get the same thing in the book. Okay, that just I am explaining you on the board now. Here you will get the same thing. Okay, so whatever I am explaining you in the board, this is the same thing only. Like here you can see that here is the bundles of sticks block. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is also one loose stick. So it will be 61. Okay, the same thing whatever we have I have explained you on the board now. This is the same thing only here. You don't have to do anything. So if you turn the page, it's page number 47. If you turn the page again, you don't have to do here anything. The same thing whatever I have explained you in the board. But the last one, okay, here we don't have any loose sticks. Here is only the bundles. यहाँ पे से bundles है. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means there are total 7 bundles of 10 sticks, and we don't have any loose sticks over here. So it will be 70 total. Okay. Now, if you turn the page, here is the exercise that you have to do. Page number 48. Tick the box that shows the following. Okay. You have to tick that column which shows the following 6 tens and 2 ones. Here there is a printing mistake, okay, because answer में already 63 लिखा है, but यहाँ पे it's 2. So here it will be 2. You can cut it and write 3, okay, because the answer is showing 3 here. So what you have to do, you have to find out 6 tens and 3 ones. Okay, so which is the correct bundle? Here. So kids, first of all we will notice the loose ones. Okay, so let's see this one. Let's notice, count this one. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But how many ones you have to find out? 3. So here it's 1, 2, 3. So right. So this is the correct one. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 flowers of 10 bundles and 3 loose flowers. That means here it will be, this is the correct one. Okay, 6 tens and 3 ones. That is 63. So tick here. And the second one, 6 tens and 5 ones. The same thing, first of all we will notice the loose one. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the correct one. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bundles of 10 balloons and how many loose balloons? 5. So this is the correct one. Tick here. And the next one, what you have to do here is draw a bunch of balloon to show the following. You have to draw a bunch of balloon to show the following. This one, you have to draw 6 bunch of balloons. Okay, you have to draw here 6. ऐसे जो है ना, ऐसे 6 बनाने हैं, and loose one you have to make 8. Understood? So this is your homework. You have to do this one. And the next one, if you turn the page, it's page number 49. So here again the numbers are given from 61 to 70. 61 to 70. All you have to do is you have to trace first and the second line, and then you have to write all this. Okay? It's very easy. You don't need to take the help of your parents also. Alright. Now the next page. You will get here, count and write. You have to count this and you have to write. Okay, I'll only show you 2. Rest you can do it by yourself. Alright. So here these are tens. Okay, because there are total 10 bananas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 baskets of 10 bananas. Okay, that means 6 tens and loose ones 1 2 3 4 5. कितने लूज है? 5 है and basket means tens कितने हैं? 6 है. So the answer will be 65. All right. And here these are beads. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 bundle of 10 beads. Okay. इसमें जो 10 beads है ना वो कितने की bundle है? कितने? How many bundles do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means 6 tens and the loose one is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is also 6. Okay. So the answer will be 6 tens and 6 ones. The answer is 66. Okay. I hope students that you have understood this very properly. So till 50 the homework is page number 48, 49 and 50 is your homework. Do it by yourself. Alright. Thank you. So kids, we have finished up with easy learning maths. Now we will be doing let's count maths. Okay. That is page number 36 to 39 we are going to follow today. But before that I want to tell you. Do you know which one is your left hand and which is your right hand? Very easy. This is your left and this one is your right. That means if we say as a hand, ये मेरा left hand है and this is my right hand, then जब हम चीजों को when we see a things ना, when we observe a things, तो हम क्या कहते हैं? This thing is on my left side and these things are on my right side. Suppose you have books in your left table, ये side में left वाले hand के side में आपके पास table है and there are books. Then what you will say? I have books on my left side and I have these things on my right side. Okay. So which is your left hand and right? This is your left hand and this is your right. Okay. So kids, you might get confused while watching the video because मैं जब यहाँ पे left side दिखा रही हूँ ना तो आपको लग रहा होगा no ये तो मेरा right hand है इसक्यों left दिखा रही है? No. If I turn back then you notice okay this is my left hand and this is my right hand. Okay, which will be my left? This is my left and this is my right hand. While watching you might get confused. Okay, now it's clear. All right. So now open to page number 36. Okay. Okay students, what you have to do here is color the pictures on the left with red and color the pictures on the right with yellow. You have to color the pictures on the left side with red and the right side with yellow color. So in this picture what you can see, this is a hand. So these hands are kept in this way. ऐसे करके रखा हुआ है ये hands को. Okay. So if you keep your hands like this, okay, आप अपने hands को देखो तो ये left side में क्या होगा? ऐसे करके रखा है ना ये picture में. तो left कौन सा हुआ? This one and this is right one. So you have to color left with red and right with yellow. Okay. So in similarly here also these are foot है ना ये legs है. So this is standing in a straight way. Okay. So which one will be left? This is left and this is right. So color left with red and color right with yellow. Okay. So similarly there is apple and mango. Which fruit you have to color it with red? Means कौन सा fruit left side में है? Mango is in left side and apple is in right side. Okay. So color in the same way. So this is also your homework. Now if you turn the page, it's page number 37. Left, right and middle. Middle तो you know very well, we have done in the previous class also. Middle means जो बीच में आता है. Okay. Left, right, middle portion जो बीच में आता है. We have done in the numbers also ना, before, after, between. जो between होते हैं ना, that is only the middle one. Okay. So here color the pictures on the left side with red, pictures on the right with green and the pictures in the middle in yellow color. Means left side के जितने भी pictures है you have to color it with red. Right side, sorry this is the left side ना, this is the right side. Oh, it's written in the book only. So here it is already written left, middle and right. Okay, so left with red color, right with green color and the middle one with yellow color. Okay, it is already written in the book. You no need to get confused over here. So this is also your homework, that is page number 37 and if you turn the page it's page number 38. which number comes after and which number comes before. Just have a look on the board. This I have done for you. I have done only few. Rest you have to do it by yourself because before after का हमने बहुत सारे classes किए हैं and I hope that now it's very clear to you all. Okay. After means बाद वाले numbers means जो बाद में आते हैं and before means जो पहले आते हैं. Okay. So here it's 1. So students tell me what comes after 1? It's 2. So here the number is 3. What comes after 3? It's 4. And the number is 4 over here. After 4, 4 के बाद कौन सा number आता है? Which is the next number? It's 5. And after 2, it's 3. Okay, that means the after number means जो बाद में आते हैं and before जो पहले आते हैं. So here it's 2. What comes before 2? It's 1. What comes before 3? It's 2. And what comes before 5? That is 4. What comes before 4? That is 3. Okay. In this way you have to do page number 38 and 39 also. The same thing you will get in your book also. Before and after numbers. Okay. This page number 39 and page number 38. Okay students. Thank you. So kids, we have finished up with maths. Now we are going to start English and the book that we are going to follow today is Cursive, Capital and Small, page number 31 to 33, and from today onwards we are going to start rhymes also, that is page number 1 and 8 that we are going to do. Okay, so just have a look at the board. In page number 31 to 33, what is there? What it is there, I will tell you after some time, but before that have a look at the board. Okay, we are writing cursive capitals now and I hope आप practice कर रहे हो घर पे. Okay, so you have to practice it very properly. Let's do a recap again. This is A, cursive and small a, sorry, cursive, capital and small a, then it's B, then this is B, okay, and this one is C, alright. So this is D in this way, and this is E, and this is F. How you have to write? In this way, okay, practice it very properly. Then G, this is G, okay. ये सब हमने पहले ही कर चुके हैं, but then also I'm repeating again. H and I, J. If you open to page number 32, sorry, page number. If you open to page number 31, okay, 31 to 33, what you will get? It's J, okay. So have a look at the board. How you have to write here for capital cursive. You have to use 4 lines, okay. आप लोगों को 4 lines use करना है. Now how you have to write? Follow the board, okay. In this way you have to write J, okay. We have used here 4 lines now. Usually हम क्या करते हैं? We use only 3 lines for capital and 2 or sometimes 3 for small. But for J we are using total 4 lines, okay. So start from here, then move on to first and to the last. And for small letters you only have to use 3 lines, okay, and give a dot. So the main focus is on the letter J. We have learned today letter J, okay. And if you open to page number 31, this one, page number 31, this is capital, cursive capital J, okay. J is for joker, it is already given. And page number 32 you will get these small letters, okay, small letter J, cursive small j, and in page number 33 it's capital and small, both cursive J, okay. So these 3 pages are your homework. You have to do it by yourself. So as I told you, from today onwards we are starting the rhymes also. This is the book, just have a look, okay. This is Disney Learning Rhymes. So the page number that we are going to do today is 1 and 8, okay. So if you open to page number 1, you will get Wee Willie Winky, okay. Page number 1 में है Wee Willie Winky and page number 8 में है I Hear Thunder, okay. So what we will do, first of all, we will learn the pronunciation and then we will go with the action, okay. So everyone, say with me. Wee Willie Winky runs through the town, upstairs and downstairs in his night gown, rapping at the window, crying through the lock, Are the children in their bed? It's past 8 o'clock. Okay, sorry, for now it's 8 o'clock. Okay, so the same thing we will do with the action also. Wee wee Winky runs through the town, upstairs and downstairs in his nightgown, rapping at the window, crying through the lock. Are the children in their bed? For now it's 8 o'clock. Okay, this poem you will learn it, play the video again and again, try to memorize this poem. Okay, so the next poem is page number 8. If you open to page number 8, you will get the poem I Hear Thunder. This is the picture. Okay, I Hear Thunder. You might have learned this poem in LKG also. Okay, so we will directly go to the action part. Okay, so the poem is something like, I hear thunder, I hear thunder, oh don't you, Peter patter raindrops, Peter patter raindrops, I'm wet through, so are you. Okay, this poem is very easy, you have done in your previous classes also, that means in LKG or nursery also, hai na? So, the book that we have started from today onwards is, it's Rhymes book. Okay students, recall it, means आप पहले फिर से देखो, then try to learn this poem, okay, with the action. Thank you. So students, we have finished with maths also, English also. Now we are going to do EVS activity book, okay, page number 27, 28, 29, okay. Before moving on to this page number, I want to tell you that we all need a house, right? हम सबको घर चाहिए होता है to live, because house protects us from heat, cold, rain and many more. Means we all need a house to live. And don't you think animals too need a house to live? And some animals have their home also. Some of the animals make their homes by themselves also. Okay. So in this page number we are going to do the see the same thing. Okay. Here it's page number 27. Okay. Match these animals to their young ones. First this is the young ones. Okay. House we will see later. This match these animals to their young ones. Okay. So hence baby is called cheeks. This one. Hence baby is called cheeks. Dog's baby is called puppy. Here is the puppy. Dog's puppy. Cow's baby is called calf. Okay. This is the calf. And this is lion. Lion's baby is called cub. Okay. This is cub. And sheep's baby is called lamb. Now where is the lamb? Here is the lamb. Okay. And cat's baby is called kitten. Where is the kitten? Here is the kitten. Okay. In this way you have to match it. Okay. And if you turn the page, it's page number 28. As I told you about homes, we all need a home and animals too needs a home. So bee, this is a bee. Bee lives in a beehive. Okay, so match it. Bird lives in a nest. Match it. Dog lives in a kennel. Okay, this is the kennel. And horse lives in a stable. This is the stable. And mouse lives in a hole. So this is the hole. Here also you have to match it. And if you turn to page number 29, the last page, this is also some animals and you have to match it with their homes. Okay. Lion lives in a den. Crocodile lives in a water. This bear lives in a cave. Monkey lives in a tree. And camel lives in a desert. Okay. So this is also your homework, that is page number 29, the last page. Okay. In this way you have to complete it. This is only the matching one. Okay. कुछ लिखना नहीं है. Only the matching one. Page number 27, 28 and 29 of EVS activity book. Okay. So let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.